Okay. Happy Tuesday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Follow me. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. If you're new to me, welcome. My name's Puerto. I'm also known as Super Agent, National Agent Trainer, creator and founder of many cool things, including Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, host of Ready, Set, Real Estate, which this series is a bonus series on our featured channel. You may connect with me on all your favorite social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Make sure you connect with me wherever you are. That's where you'll find me too, at LA Super Agent. Go ahead and turn on post notifications. That way you don't miss any new episodes as I upload them. And I'd love to hear your feedback. Let me know what you want to see, hear, discuss, explore, unpack next on our Ready, Set, Real Estate show. We are continuing our series from Dean Del Sesto, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. So you guessed it, there are 200 ways in this book, which means at the completion of this series, we will have completed 200 episodes. We are now on episode 168. Oh, this is going to be a great one. This is going to be a great one. I want to say first off, hashtag our mood. We didn't get to do that. So hashtag your mood. For me, interestingly, because my internet was down, I was a little bit slow paced. And I allowed myself to be slow paced, slow motion, allowing things to kind of come to me. So I'm feeling unbothered. Good one. I'm feeling unbothered. This episode I'm going to caption, keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. I'm in the section where he says, advice. He says, let me make sure I put my phone on vibrate because I wouldn't want it to ring in the middle of our recording. He says, sometimes the best advice you can give is the advice you don't give. Know anyone who maybe would be better off not sharing their advice? No one asked you type of thing. Keep it to yourself type of thing. Or if this resonates with you, that you may have shared something with good intention, however, you should have maybe kept it to yourself and it was better off where you didn't share because someone took it wrong. All right, he says there's a reason why so many jokes and musings are centered around advice. Most advice is a joke and quite amusing. He says, and yet there's no shortage of advice floating around out there. He says, in fact, there's some coming to a conversation. The truth is, most people love to give advice. Go ahead and hashtag the truth. The truth. People love to give advice. And yet, most people don't take it. There's a reason for that. When we give advice to others, what we're really giving is a potential vice in the form of dependency and ignoring the opportunity for the other to research their own terms. So that word vice, drop that word vice in the comments below, refers to a bad habit. So you may be creating a bad habit by offering your advice to someone because you may potentially be enabling them. Because if they can rely on you, if they say, oh, I'll call Lisa, Lisa knows what to do. What would Lisa do? It was so sweet because someone shared that with me. A couple people shared that with me. What would Lisa do? So shout out to my family and my intimate friends and those in my love circle who have expressed that compliment and commentary about me. And it takes a lot of work. You guys know this is a lot of inner work because I'm intellectualizing my emotion. Not something that's really good because then I come off disconnected. But I'm doing much better lately where I'm feeling a lot more connected, more in tune with my emotions. And Shift Your Thinking has really helped me be more connected with what I'm thinking and feeling. Because I would normally stay here thinking. And now I can be in here with the feeling. Okay. With that said, the art and science of helping someone in challenging circumstances is not about telling them what to do. We rarely have all the facts, background, or insight to do that well anyway. Not to mention life is seldom a formula, nor are there prepackaged answers we can count on. If we want to be of value to other people, helping them from A to B is best achieved through inquiry rather than toying with half-educated statements based on our own experiences. And it shouldn't be light inquiry either. It should be so thorough that by the time the other has answered all the right questions, they'll have given themselves the advice they need. Notice, they need. Moving others to think through things on their own facilitates their clarifying the issue, not you. And once they think, type in the comments, they think it through and choose their own way, it creates the best chance of action and lasting impact because they've learned something. They've learned how to troubleshoot. He says, think questions like, have you considered? What would it be like if? What would a person like that do? Think communication, not dictation. Think investigation, not experimentation. It's the best for all, and that's my advice, says Dean. All right, with that being said, I invite you to think about how you can add value to someone else and not shortchange them of the experience and lesson that they need to learn with troubleshooting on their own. Let's not raise grown folks. All right, I love you, love you, love you. I will see you tomorrow. Make sure you connect, subscribe, and share, and like. That way we can continue to bring valuable content to a PC, tablet, phone near you. Bye.